If you can't recover your LinkedIn account or access your account, or your account has been restricted, you can regain access to it by simply verifying your profile. Yes, verifying your identity on LinkedIn is one of the primary and most effective ways to actually unrestrict your LinkedIn account, particularly when the restriction is due to suspicious activities or behavior, and so your profile authenticity is being questioned. When LinkedIn restricts an account, they often require you to prove that you are the legitimate owner to protect against unauthorized access. Even on LinkedIn Help's website, you can check it out. I also pinned it to the description of this video. You can regain access to your account quickly. All you need to do is to verify your profile, like I initially said. A friend of mine had this issue. She was not able to access her LinkedIn account just because someone tampered with it, and so her account was banned. She deleted LinkedIn. She didn't want to use LinkedIn again, and so she came to me, and so we had to try to install LinkedIn app again, try to do the quick security questions, and then went about to trying to verify her LinkedIn account. You can see here that most of the times LinkedIn even gives you that single option that, okay, your account has been restricted. You can just verify your identity. You can see here your account has been temporarily restricted as a precaution. Therefore, verify your identity. So she had to quickly go through this process. Select your country of choice. So for her, she's in Nigeria, so she had to select Nigeria. So depending on your choice country, and so you have to verify with Persona, right? Persona is one of the most primary ways that LinkedIn offers the customers to actually verify their page. So when it comes to this part, you have to make sure that you check all the boxes, read what they've written to you, and then follow the prompt, right? Position your face in order to get captured. This is just to make sure that you are really the person, right? The authenticity that they are questioning, you have to go through the process. So she had to put in her face and all of that, and follow the prompts basically. Next, she was asked to upload a photo ID in order to prove her authenticity. So according to LinkedIn Help website, in order to verify your ID through Persona, you will need access to your smartphone in order to take a picture or a photo of your ID. So to regain access to your account quickly, you just have to ensure that you take a clear and unobstructed photo of your valid and unexpired government ID. Now your government ID could be your driver's license, it could be your international passport, it could be your national ID, or even your voter ID. These are the options that are available for us, especially as Nigerians, in order to regain access to our LinkedIn account. So she was giving this extra option. So depending on the ID that you have with you, you can just select anyone and just go through the process, and like I said, follow the prompts that LinkedIn is going to give you, right? So she selected the option of her national ID, and it was time to take a clear photo of the front of her national ID. So she had to use the camera to screen grab it. But then the capture tip here, if you must read it in order to know how to capture very well. Also, you'll be required to take a clear photo of the back image of your national ID. So your back image of your national ID should be like this. But if it's not like this, then I will encourage you to use any other means of ID that you have that is available, especially an international passport, because she had this issue that her national ID, the back of the ID was not like this, the way LinkedIn wanted it to be, and so she was not able to. And if for a situation where you're selecting the option of saying, oh, I don't have any ID, then LinkedIn will be able to unrestrict your account or verify it rather.